Here's a quick look at the markets for Monday, June the 22nd, 2009 through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Of course, this video is just a short 4 or 5 minute video compared to the 15 to 20 minute video we do each night for our members with many more charts and a lot more detail. But we can still go over here what we were looking at in the market. We had mentioned that in around the 23 to 24 area is support. And then down here around 1050.11 as support. I'm sorry, this is resistance up here, support down here. And then our next area was around 902 as support. So going into today we had support here, and resistance here. Well, as you can see overnight, the market, by the way, this is the overnight market profile and volume profile. The one just before that is Friday, regular trading hours only. And here is today's volume and market profile, regular trading hours only. And you can see that our open here was very weak. It was below the support that we had at 910.50, and it opened below that and had a pretty quick sell-off. And so we were able to get on side the short with a short trade. We missed a short trade by just basically one tick. I guess it was maybe more than that. Well, it was actually on two separate occasions. One missed it by literally seconds, and the other one missed it by about a point. So unfortunately, we didn't, and it dropped 5+ points. But we were able to get on to a short trade fairly soon after that and do well with it. We actually only ended up with a couple of trades today, but we do think the market is headed lower. And the support areas we're looking at right now, once again, the support is going to turn into resistance right here around 902, and then possibly in here around 898, 899. So those are the areas of resistance, and there's really no support under the market. You got to go back quite a ways to find some support. As far as any kind of support below the market, it really looks to be about 884. Although the auction is certainly controlled by the sellers right now, and we do expect obviously for that market to keep heading down. Taking a look at our actual trades here today, this is where we had the short entry. We just missed it by a hair right here. We did get short in here for a nicely profitable trade. We actually had a long trade off of this deceleration here, which rallied a couple of points in our favor. So we only had a couple of trades here today. It's unfortunate because that first one that we just barely missed was that thing moved. That was a short around 901 and change, and there's really no reason to get out of it for at least about 4 points on the final partial. Some of our traders actually would have used this deceleration to get short, the more aggressive traders in our group that are a little bit more experienced. So at any rate, that's what the trades did today, and we're certainly expecting more down, and we're looking at those areas of resistance in around 895 as the main one, and then possibly 898. So if you have any interest in what we're doing or have any questions, don't hesitate in contacting us. We're at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you, just questions or comments. So that'll be it for a look at the markets for Monday, June the 22nd, 2009.